Morning, guys. I trust you're doing well. Thank you for coming back to watch my videos. My name is Mondia Catherine, and in my YouTube channel I talk about personal finance, I talk about circles, I talk about mentorship, and in today's episode I want to talk about investing in the stock market or buying shares. And every person would want to grow their wealth, and you can grow your wealth through trading in shares or buying stocks. And when we talk about stocks, if I can give it as an example, or the easiest way is, today a company wants to raise money, maybe for expansion, maybe for a capital expenditure. So the best place they can raise money from is the stock market. So they will sell part of their ownership. Maybe they can sell like 20% of their ownership to the public. And that unit of ownership that they are selling is what is called a share or stock. So when you buy that share or unit of ownership, you become a shareholder. So the first thing that you do is to open an account, open a CDS account with any stockbroker. You can do it online at the comfort of your desk. And if you are ready to trade, you only need to put some money in that account. And in Kenya, the market is called Nairobi Stock Exchange. You'll find that there are different sectors. Companies are divided in different sectors. Like we have energy sector, we have technology, we have real estate. Like energy, we can talk of Kenya Power, we can talk of KenGen, we have even the retail sector. So they are divided into different sectors. And when you want to trade in shares, number one, you can buy and hold. That mostly is the best strategy, where you hold shares for decades. You can be a dividend investor, where you just want to be getting dividends. Like in the last 1 week, I think BAT was giving its shareholders 50 shillings per share. That is a lot of money. You can also be a speculator, where you monitor the market, and when the shares go up, you sell, or when they are down, you buy. Or you can be a trader. You can be trading on a day-to-day basis. You buy, you sell when the share gains some margin. So shares, buying shares or stocks, it can give you passive income, because when a company makes profits, they share the profit to the shareholders. So you earn without doing anything. The stock market can be very volatile, but the best strategy you should engage in is to buy and hold, where you hold shares for quite long. They grow in, we say it is called capital gain. They gain, and usually we have an average of up to 9 to 12% annually. The shares will recover and give you a return over that period. They will grow in terms of, maybe you bought a share at 10 bob. Over some years, this share can even go up to 50 shillings. So it will have grown in terms of capital gain. So it is good for you to know that this is a risky area, but the higher the risk, the higher the return. But if you hold them for long, you can never go wrong. So if you want to trade in shares, you can start small, or you can consult people who are experts, people who can advise you on which counters or which shares to buy. So generally, when the market is good, we say it is bull market, or shares are going up. And when shares are going down, we call it the bear market. So that is what I have for today. I want to thank you for watching my videos. Please help me grow by subscribing. You can like, you can share, you can comment. Otherwise, you can get me on 0722 244 825 if you want any personal attention. Otherwise, thank you guys.